Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. President Emmerson Mnangagwa today led a National Culture Day commemorations at Barbourfields Stadium, held under the theme Cultural Diversity, Advancing Vision 2030 through Cultural Expressions. The event coincides with the UN's World Day for Cultural Diversity, Dialogue and Development, observed annually on 21 May. Addressing the gathering in Bulawayo, Mnangagwa said culture is the foundation of the economy and key to national unity, dignity, and identity. He asked Zimbabweans to take pride in their heritage and resist the negative effects of globalization and cultural diffusion. The president commended artists and traditional leaders for preserving a national memory and called on the youth to embrace both tradition and modernity. To support the creative sector, he directed authorities to review and reduce registration and renewal levies for artists. President Mnangagwa concluded by calling for love and unity in diversity to build a stronger, prosperous Zimbabwe. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.